All right, Blazing Bell. You ready for the ground have a monster truck? Oh, yes, sir. We did. That sounds great idea, Blazing Bell.
If we took all those snacks.
And that means turn in the Blazing Bell have a small monster truck into giant Blazing Bell the monster truck in the road. And
That would definitely cause
have Robo J5 in the big
trouble.
A toy?
Hey guys, you're not have.
Not anymore.
Oh well, Mr. Thorny.
Great idea.
We can have biggest monster truck, have Blazing Bell having ourselves. We can have a biggest monster truck in the road. All right, princess.
Let's do it.
Oh well, Mr. Big Trouble.
Right.
Trouble, hooray! Turn
Into Blazing Bells of the monster truck and with
those bottles
into the biggest monster truck in the road.
into
Bigger and bigger and bigger of Blazing Bell with the monster truck and
giant bottles.
Your Highness, I can't count on you hover like that.
Hey Joe, what do we have? It's Blazing Bell of the biggest monster truck in the road. Well done, Mr. Thorny. You turned the Blazing Bell of the monster truck in the world. Hey everyone, look who we've got. It's Blazing Bell of the biggest monster truck in the world. It has the biggest, most wonderful monster truck in the world every day ever. Hey guys, not every have the biggest monster truck it have before Blazing Bell.
No way!
Wow!
Sure.
Blazing Bell! You bunch us great idea, Mr. Thorny and Big Trouble and
Flower?
Alright, Blazing Bell, you can seed with me and seed with us and
Let's do it.
well done! Well done, Mr. Thorny and Big Guy. You a great job, you pretend ourselves. Hey, another shape guy. Look what we've got. Blazing Bell transforms from the Blazing Bell of monster truck in the world.
Wow, looks like we have a monster truck who can race for Team Sphere.
Yeah, well done, announcer. They're gonna have
Never get
them before they have Blazing Bell monster truck in the road and the
past those.
Hey, Leafy, if you want to hang out with me,
with Blazing Bells of giant monster trucks
I'm planning to go to my four-pedal steak shop
to get ready for Grandma's Chi-Chi's house.
to get some party supplies.
We're gonna need have you can join of Blazing Bells of biggest monster trucks in the world for you. What do you think you want? Do you love Blazing Bell?
Sure, Flower.
I love Blazing Bell.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, hop on. Sure, Blazing Bell.
No way!
looks like we have a monster truck who can race for Team Sphere.
Alright, everyone. It's Blazing Bell, Flower Levy, and Blazing Bell's time. What?
No way!
Great idea, Blazing Bell. And
Let's do it.
Mr. Shapenosser, it looks like we have the biggest monster truck, and who can race for instead for Team Sphere up to the grandma's Chi-Chi's house.
Get some party supplies.
Wow,
Wow, guys.
looks like we have a monster truck.
Has the Blazing Bells team of Flick, Flower, and Leafys have best friends up for today
Who can race for
for joined with the
Team Sphere.
Yep. Now it's time for turn of Blazing Bell of the monster trucks have with those plastic bottles and
Into
bigger of Blazing Bell's giant monster truck and
giant bottles.
well done, guys. They're gonna have
Never get
them before the monster trucks in the finish line or them with the
past though.
Alright, princess. Sit down on the ground. What do you think you want? Well,
Thank you,
Flower, Leafy, and
Bill.
alright. You can have you looking through to these contestants. What do you think you want?
Of course. I'm sorry.
I'm from Soar. Of course, I'm sorry. Alright, Blazing Bell. You can have you watch for the traffic light. What do you think you want also this time? Alright. Blazing Bell of the biggest monster truck. Check. Now introduce our pretty seams on ourselves. We're sorry. We're gonna having a great time on fun here. Having a great job. That's funny. Alright. Hi, Flick. I am the Blazing Bell of the largest monster truck too. And you are having the best friends of Flower and Leafy is gonna happen. What happens going to say of the race tomorrow? Blazing Bell, you are
Exactly.